Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. If you want to see how I got this cute style, just keep on watching. I tried to do a couple different methods that didn't quite work out, but it ended up very, very cute. So if you want to see the style, just keep on watching. Okay, I started off with fresh, clean hair. I washed my hair and rinsed it, and here it goes. So I'm starting this new method that I'm trying out. I'm not sure how. That's just the first one. Not sure that it'll work out, which it ended up not working out, but you'll see it as I go. So I was trying to do individual braids in the front, like individual braids are all around the perimeter. And yeah, so long story short, my hair is too long for this. So if my hair is a little bit shorter, I'd be able to get away with doing individual braids around the perimeter and wrapping my hair around. But since my hair is too long now, it didn't allow me to do that, and it looks absolutely crazy. So yeah, I tried it, but I wasn't able to do it. So we're gonna keep going. And then here I did something a little bit different as well. I usually put 3 rubber bands going back, 1, 2, 3, but this time I only did 2, because at the end of the day, when you see my hair, you know that it doesn't matter if it's 2 or if it's 3. Doesn't matter. Save me a little bit of work. I only did 2. I only did 2. So that's how that end up looking. So that is the view of my head. I just did the 2 connecting braids going to the back, and actually just one on either side. And that was that. Much easier, a little bit more quicker and simpler. So these are the braids: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is it? Where is it? 7, 8, and that's it. The crochet hook, and then this one didn't even come with jewels, but that's fine. So I'm just opening up the packages so you can see how the hair look. And this is my first time seeing the hair as well. So it was pretty good. It absolutely had no smell to it at all, which I always smell my hair. And yep, no smell at all, which is amazing. And this is the braids that it came in, and I use mostly all of them: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So yeah, I put the number on there, 16 times 8 or 7, whatever it was. But that's the hair and how it comes in one package. And so then I braided my hair to the back, and again, those braids are not straight, but it absolutely matters not. But yeah, even that connecting braid in the back, it doesn't matter. No one will ever see that. And then I just took that the end of my hair and sewed it up. Okay, so I'm just doing it as I normally do, starting from the back, going all the way to the front. And this hair is sponsored by Union Beauty. As you saw, it comes in 8 packs, a total of 128 total. And they are BOHO box braids, and they are crochet hair, of course, and it is pre-looped, which is amazing. I really like that they're already pre-looped, ready for you. And these are the goddess braids is what they're called. And they're curly at the end, and these are 14 inches. And the color is TBUG, so T-bug, whatever that means. That was just one of the braids that's finished, and it went quickly. This hairstyle took a total of 1 hour for me to install this part. So not the entire thing, not the braiding part, but just installing. Some places you saw had gaps in them. I went back and filled some in, but a lot of them I just left the way they were because there was absolutely no way that you can see it. Even when you move your head around, it still looks really nice, and you can't even tell that some spaces are missing. That was just my choice that I did it that way, and it really didn't matter, but it worked out fine. Okay, I am almost done here. I have 2 more braids to go right here, but I'm trying to decide if I should, and it's pretty full. It's nice and full, I like it. The curls made a huge difference. I didn't know they would look this good, but the curls made a huge difference. But I'm trying to wonder if I should continue to do them over to the side, and have like a side do. And I can also do, like half up, half down, as well, something like that. But I'm thinking that because I like it so far. I like it like the whole side look. Because my plan was I was going to do these 2 going down, and then I have the part right here. But I think I'm going to do them all over to the right side and see how that looks. We'll see, because if it doesn't look right, then I'm going to stop and not do it. But we'll see. So, all right, here we go. Let's finish. Okay, so I did it. I did them all over to the side. And then I went and filled a couple in. So I just got this little part right here. It's not as big as it seems. And I had these left out of all the packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I had 8 left out of the whole amount of them. But yeah, I like it. I like it a whole lot. I like it a whole lot. It's really super cute. It's not heavy. It's I can't put it back in a ponytail per se. I mean, I could, but it'd be kind of thick. But I can't do the half up, half down. So let me show you guys a couple of styles here. Okay, here I am trying to put it half up, half down. I did manage to put it up that way, but the way that I put the hair in, it didn't. I really didn't wear it that way. I didn't wear it half up, half down. If anything, I wore it all back in one braid that one ponytail that I didn't show on here because the hair is already short. It's only 14 inches long, so therefore I didn't wear it up like that very much at all. I pretty much wore it down most of the time, and you'll see in the next scene, you'll see that I have it down, and that's exactly the way that I ended up wearing it most of the time. And this is the finished product. That's how I end up wearing my hair mostly. I love it, love it, love it. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, people. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Don't be just a stalker, but actually subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Later.